welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, we are going to do a quick review on the Tropic skincare products that I was kindly gifted by the lovely Juliet. I will leave all her details down below so you can go and check out her website and all the products because they are absolutely amazing. So she kindly gifted me a lovely skincare. It was the ABC skincare collection, and in that was a smoothing cleanser, a vitamin toner, and also a Skin Feast Nourishing Cream Concentrate with a deep hydration mask, as well as a muslin cloth, which is currently in the wash because I absolutely love it. So before we get into the video, let's do the norm. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you are new to my channel, welcome guys. I am in the middle of doing a vlogust, which means I am uploading every single day throughout the whole of August, which I hope you guys are enjoying. And if you are, thank you so much for being part of my group, part of the girlies. And if you haven't and you've just joined me now, welcome and thank you so much. And I hope you guys join me on my lovely journey onto 500 subscribers. I am so grateful. I can't believe I've actually come this far. I literally didn't think I would pass 50 subscribers. Well, in fact, I didn't even think I'd get 10, but over 400 subscribers is absolutely amazing, and I can't believe we're on the journey already. And if you enjoy this video or like anything Mama Life, Kids and Beauty, because that's what I'm all about, then please feel free to subscribe and let's get onto this journey, 500 subscribers. So let's get into the video because I know you're dying to hear what I think about the Tropic skincare products. Okay, so like I said, I was kindly gifted these, and I have been using these products now for probably over a month, maybe a bit longer now. And what I'm going to give you my honest opinion. These are, you know, my opinion. It's nothing against the company, nothing against anybody. It's at the end of the day, a product. It might work for you, but it might not work for me. It all depends on our skin types, our hormones, our complexions, you name it, whatever it is. You know, life change, you know, what happens in life as well can affect how product react to your skin and stuff like that. So I am going to share with you what I thought about the products that I was gifted by Juliet. So first up was the smoothing cleanser. This is absolutely a game changer. My skin is absolutely loving it. I love the fact that when you apply your makeup and you put it on, so it's like a double cleanse, you apply it on and it melts away the makeup. You can literally just see it. I will leave the video that I put on my Instagram down below so you guys can go and check it out. Everybody was like amazed at how it just literally melted away the makeup. You wipe that off with the muslin cloth and then you double cleanse, so you apply cleanser again and then you wash it off, and then that is your skin nice cleansed, and it's just left my skin so soft and so clean. And just honestly, I rarely wear much makeup now. I've got a bit of makeup on now, but it's down to my skincare because I'm looking after the base of my skin so that it gives my complexion, when I'm wearing makeup, a nice look, gorgeous glow, which you can see. So definitely I highly recommend the smoothing cleanser complexion purifier. I absolutely love it, and I think it's like right down to here now. I'm not quite sure, but it's emptying because I have been using it religiously for I think about 6 weeks now. Next up is the vitamin toner. Now I haven't really used it. You can see how much I've used because I don't like the smell of it. It's got a horrible smell to it, and I think, yeah, it's just not for me. I don't think it did anything for me. I absolutely love my rose toner, so this, unfortunately, I wouldn't go for again. It hasn't got a nice smell, so if you're not fussed about smells, then go for it. But if you are funny about smells, then don't go for it because it really isn't, and it just puts me off putting it on my face. And then next up we have the Skin Feast Nourishing Cream Concentrate. It's got hyaluronic acid in, which is one of my favourite ingredients, but I was finding that it was drying up my skin, so I used just the 3 products for about 2 weeks just to see what it was, and I had to go back to my other moisturizer because I was finding that I was getting dry patches, and it was from this moisturizer. So whether it was a bit too hard for my skin, I don't know. It didn't do much for my skin, and so I stopped using it. I've gone back to my Duo Lab where I'm using my personalized moisturizer, and my skin is looking glowy and radiant as it should be. And then this is the deep hydration soothing cooling mask. Oh my gosh, oh god, went up my mouth there. It smells absolutely gorgeous and it left my skin so soft and smooth, and I think I've got a video on this as well. I'm not sure where it is, but I'll leave a link somewhere down below so you guys can go and check it out. But it literally is made with wild Australian super berries and resurrection flower extract. It is gorgeous and it leaves your skin so refreshing and gives you a nice natural glow. So out of the products, these two are definitely my favorites and I will be definitely going for this again. This I think is my new cleanser. Absolutely amazing. I'm so happy with it. I love it. It's got like an oil feel to it as well, so you really need, like, I try and wash it without the muslin cloth and it leaves you like an oil base, but if you get the cloth and you really wash your skin with that, oh my god, it really gives it a good clean and everything just comes off. And with makeup, you don't need a makeup remover, just apply this on your makeup, lather it all around and it literally melts it away. Wash it off, give it another good scrub and then you are done. But yeah, definitely I think this is my new cleanser. I'm so happy with it, and that's not because I had it for free or anything. It's because look at the state of my skin. At the minute I've got the Rhodial bronzer and glow drops, which are making it even more, but my skin just feels absolutely the best it's ever been. I think it's the water helping as well, but that cleanser, I can't fault it. And definitely go for the hydrating mask as well. Really lovely refreshing product for the skin. But the other two products, unfortunately, I won't be reaching out for again because I just didn't like the smell. It was the smell, I just couldn't bear it. So that's why I won't be applying that on my face again. I absolutely love my rose water, my rose spritz, so that's what I've been using, as well as this and then my other moisturizer. So guys, if you like the review, leave a like. If you like the review, give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Let me know, have you tried out Tropic products? What would you like me to review next? Because I'm absolutely loving these reviews that these ladies are contacting me. I've just had another lovely lady contact me to try out the Body Shop makeup, so I'm looking forward to trying that out. But yeah, I mean, this is my honest review. I can only go by what these products have done for my skin. You might like the smell of the mist, you might find it really good for your skin, and that is fine. At the end of the day, I'm giving you my honest opinion because I want you guys to know that, you know, just because I get these products for free doesn't mean that I have to like them or bump them up. It's my honest opinion, and I have been using this for such a while because I think that's the when you're going to get a true review and the honest opinion out of me as well. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.